Want to recover faster after your workouts and get stronger every session? In today's video, we'll cover the best foods and habits that can seriously boost your gym recovery, so you can stay consistent and crush your fitness goals. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. When you exercise, your muscles get tiny tears, and recovery is when your body repairs and grows stronger. Without proper recovery, you risk injury, fatigue, and plateaus. Let's start with nutrition. Eating the right foods helps your muscles rebuild and reduces soreness. Protein. This is your muscle building block. Aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, or plant-based options like beans and tofu. Carbohydrates. Carbs replenish your energy stores. Good choices include sweet potatoes, brown rice, oats, and fruits. Healthy fats. Don't skip fats. They reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Hydration. Water is essential. Dehydration slows recovery and hurts performance, so drink plenty throughout the day. Antioxidants. Foods like berries, spinach, and green tea help fight exercise-induced inflammation. Now let's talk habits that can supercharge your recovery. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Sleep is when your body releases growth hormones and repairs muscles. Stretching and mobility work. Spend 10 minutes post-workout on gentle stretching or foam rolling to reduce muscle tightness. Active recovery. On rest days, light activities like walking or yoga boost circulation without taxing your muscles. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can slow recovery. Try meditation, breathing exercises, or just some downtime. Consistent routine. Your body adapts best when workouts and recovery habits are consistent. Follow these foods and habits, and you'll bounce back faster, lift heavier, and stay injury-free. If you want more fitness and recovery tips, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.